Hey folks, welcome to this tutorial series on SQL. Uh, Before starting to teach SQL, I just want to tell you what I'll be covering in this entire series. Okay, so this series would not be one of those typical series that you might find on YouTube or any other course website. This I'll actually try to touch more on the practical side while not neglecting any theoretical aspect on SQL. Right, we'll be discussing more in detail about topics like primary key, foreign key, joins. Also, I'll be using SQL through Metabase. Metabase is a very intelligent business intelligence software that has been used in a lot many companies nowadays to visualize their data. So we'll be studying how to use Metabase to write SQL queries, how to visualize your data, how to make sense of the table, how to create tables, how to modify tables, etc. Okay, so this is going to be a bit lengthy series where I'll try to touch every single aspect that will actually help you understand SQL for the beginners level. Then obviously you can move on to more advanced topics. Okay, so welcome again. Hope you stick around for the entire series and good luck. Thank you.